That is disgusting. Give it to me now.
I'm kidding. I don't think I've ever cried to Frank Ocean. Anyways.
What the motherfuck are you doing that for? That's embarrassing. You're embarrassing. Okay, so...
You shut up! I'm so fucking scared right now, you shut up!
Why am I the only one that's popping my fucking pussy right now? Mom, get off of your phone, come on!
How the hell am I supposed to know, girl? Ex your mama. Your mama was the one busting it down, not me.
Another one, thank you. Another one, thank you. Another one, thank you. Another one, thank you. Another one, thank you.
Hey, good morning, Kanye.
Shut the fuck up.
Camera recording.
I was just joking. Okay. Bye.